Maxi Kids!
Aren't dinosaurs amazing? Now let's see how much you remember. Tap them. Dinosaur! 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 Which one is the dinosaur?
Mango. Dog.
Dinosaur! One more time. Which one is the dinosaur? Dinosaur! Do you know the names of the dinosaurs? T-Rex, Triceratops, and Diplodocus. Good job! Oh, this is a T-Rex. Can you say T-Rex? Huh? Huh? Whoa, oh no! Keep trying. Almost. This is a T-Rex. This is a Triceratops. Can you say Triceratops? Huh? 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 A Triceratops? Yeah! Very good! Yeah! Yes, this is a Triceratops. Well done! This is a Diplodocus. Can you say Diplodocus? Huh? Huh? Huh. Keep trying. What dinosaur is your favorite? A T-Rex, a Triceratops, or a Diplodocus? Huh? Diplodocus. Yeah! Very good! Yeah! Wow! Today we learned about the T-Rex, Triceratops, and Diplodocus. Great job! I love dinosaurs! Yay!
Galaxy Kids!